What's up, tribe? This is Justin, Elevate Credit. Today is day 86. 3 important credit card dates. So, thank you guys for following this journey from day 0 to reuniting my wife and my son here in the U.S. We're talking credit repair, business funding, real estate investing, just taking that next step to achieve that next level of life. So, today we're talking about 3 important credit card dates. The 3 important credit card dates are due date, statement date, and reporting date. So let's dive into that further. The first one is the due date. This is most likely the date that most consumers are most familiar with. This is the day that your credit card payment is due, whether it's the minimum payment and or you pay a larger amount or the full balance. This is the date that it is due. The second date is a statement date. This is the cutoff date that the banks have for their statements. So if you had a statement date on the 5th, and then you would have your credit card statement would end on the 5th. And then the last date is the reporting date. And this is the date that gets reported to the credit reporting agencies. And it's important to understand all of these 3 dates. Because your due date, let's say if your due date's on the 1st and you pay a payment and or the full balance, then there's a 3-day lag to a 4-day lag until your statement date. So a lot of people think, oh, I paid off my credit card. I made a payment on my credit card. So therefore, when the statement date comes around, that will show on my reporting date when it gets reported to the credit reporting agencies. And that's not the case, because that's not the due date, the payment date is not the statement date. So you have to remember, if you make the minimum payment or a type of payment, wait until the cutoff date, the statement date, and or the reporting date to continue using that credit card to spend money on. And there are a few different ways that strategies we'll get into in the next videos about hiding utilization and floating balances around using manufactured spending methods. So there are ways to essentially not pay any interest and or hide your utilization from the credit reporting agency, so and still be floating debt for investing in business or real estate or whatever the case may be. So we'll get into that in these next videos. But hey, thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment below. Check out the link. We have eBooks, e-courses. You can buy AUs, CPNs, Shelf Corps. There's a lot of different items and products that we have that will help your credit repair and or business funding journey. Also, if you're interested in working with us one-on-one, just leave your information in the email link and we will get back to you. Last but not least, to my son Josiah, son, you are blessed. You are amazing. Remember to use credit responsibly to your success. Salud.